Okay, here's lesson 4. It's water. The amount of water on planet Earth never changes. It gets recycled and used again and again. Water is always moving between the sea, the air, and the land in a never-ending cycle. This process is called the water cycle. So let's take a look. Heat from the sun causes water at the ocean surface to evaporate. This means the water turns into an invisible gas called water vapor. The vapor rises up into Earth's atmosphere. The water cycle is powered by the sun's energy, creating clouds. As the water vapor rises, it cools and turns back into tiny water droplets in a process called condensation. The droplets are so small they float in the air and form clouds. Water falls as rain, hail, or snow. Moisture from plants suck up water through their roots and release it as water vapor from their leaves. This adds more moisture to the air and forms more clouds. So water loses its saltiness when it rises from the sea. I didn't know that. Rain falls. When clouds hold a lot of tiny water droplets, eventually the droplets fall as rain, or when it's colder, snow. That's why in Florida at midday we get so much rain. Eventually the rain droplets fall. The water from rain or melted snow then that does not soak into the ground runs downhill over the surface of the land until it joins streams and rivers. It can still keep into the ground, seep into the ground, or evaporate, but most water eventually flows into the sea. Some rain seeps underground, though. Tiny cracks of rock make it in rocks and makes its way to the sea. And there we have the water cycle.